1KB family, wagwan. Welcome back. 1KB family, today we're outside. Today we're out here somewhere in Ontario doing some stone installation. Yeah, it's in the winter. As you see, I have on my jacket. Yeah, we're gonna install stone around 4 feet from the foundation ledge. Come right up. Then we're gonna have sill right around. If you look, we're gonna go right around there, come back right around here. Yeah, I want to walk you through step by step how to do this. But before I jump into the video, let me give you a walkthrough, show you the job site, show you the stone, and what we're about to do in today's video. Let's get into it. So this is it. It's a big boy here we're working on today. I mean, we already see we set up our scaffolding, put up our top. It's a bit windy today. This is the stone that we're working with. It's a permacan 3-dimension stone. Yeah. Let me take you around that side. We're working on this bad boy here today, guys. We're going all the way around. Just giving you guys a little walkthrough. Probably not gonna go all the way around the other side. This thing is too big. Today we have some nice weather, so we need to try and get some work done. But if you can see, this is a big one. We top up over there already. Yeah, let's take you back over there and start to install some permacan stone. This type of winter weather here, I don't think no one should be here working in the winter, laying brick or stone. But it's the worst time for me to lay bricks. I don't like it. Honestly, don't like to come out here in the winter time and lay stone or brick. But what you gotta do? Sometimes homeowners, they want to get their job done, so they call us out here. We have to do it. That being said, let's dive into the video and get some work done. Alright, so we're gonna start to lay some stone. It's pissing like crazy right now. So if you notice, we started without doing any form of preparation. Normally on a regular job we would put on flashing or weeping plastic, and then we'd put Tyvek. But shout out to the homeowner Era who prepared the blue skin. As you see, nicely install the blue skin from the foundation ledge, go right up onto the wall. Shout out to yourself again, my friend. Enough respect for have that well prepared for us. For the first course, I like to put a wedge underneath, especially when it's a little bit wet the way it is right now. Putting a level across is the same result as in plumbing it. So as you go, you want to put your level across rather than put the level directly onto the face of the stone. Bring it down right to the bottom. As I lay, I put my hand, like my finger at the back of the wall after I measure the 4.5. Earlier I didn't mention that, but you want to measure 4.5 from the wall, come right out to the edge of the stone. Once you get your 4.5, you want to put your finger just as a template. So if your finger go halfway down, you want to keep remain in that same space as you go, just to maintain the same thickness from the wall. So that way as you go, you keep on doing that. That way you have a straight, consistent wall once you use your finger as a gauge at the back of the wall. That's how I normally do it when I'm laying. So everywhere I go, I make sure I push the stone so that way it's touching onto my finger from the back, just to maintain the straightness of the wall as I go. Yeah.
Now just use a shovel and fill up the boards or something, you know what I mean?
I mean, anyway, if you think that's work, I can bring it.
Yeah. On this bit, yeah.
Huh?
On this bit.
Yeah.
As it is today.
See, we're starting this one. You want to come right down to the bottom. The light's supposed to be in the end of the card where you're working there, you know?
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. I didn't see no lights. So I didn't...
You look for the light, or you?
Yeah, I didn't see the lights off. The little orange or red light that's usually there.
The orange light, yeah, that means no power. Bring me a big one. Yeah. I have nail. This one is too long for here. Too strong, bro. Holy shit.
It's the snow removal. Removing the snow. Now when I look in the mirror, I coughed the other day and I had a six-pack. I was like, holy shit.
Yeah. fucking crazy, man.
I'm there, man. I'm gonna go back there. Sometimes they're like waiting something, man.
Yeah?
I'm taking shots at the enemy. I'm gonna make it to the top, leave a legacy. If I got something to say, you better let me speak. Turn it up a new degree, bitch, you ain't seen anything. I pop off with the new rock, electronic, blow the sonic roof up. I'm too honest when I take a few shots. They're too toxic, need to take the news off. You cannot save me, 'cause I don't need saving. It's everything I've been chasing, all here for the taking. Don't wanna test your luck with me, I think I've had enough disease. I'm sick of all the bad thoughts, people who are half-nots. One night's I'm back, you know that I never left. I got tracks and some music that you never guessed. I don't slack, don't lose, learn your lesson yet. When I get to choose what I do, I'm like a weapon net. Sharp as many, but got hard, I'm ready to change. Scars to envy, to win large and plenty. I like to play fast, never change back. Calling out, I'll pay back, 'cause I'm great at that. Oh, now save me, 'cause I don't need saving. It's everything I've been chasing, all here for the taking. Don't wanna test your luck with me, I think I've had enough disease. I'm sick of all the bad thoughts, people who are half-nots. Don't wanna test your luck with me, I think I've had enough disease. I'm sick of all the bad thoughts, people who are half-nots, who are not as tough as me. Don't wanna test your luck with me, I think I've had enough disease. I'm sick of all the bad thoughts, people who are half-nots, who are not as tough as me. up at night, yeah. Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. What keeps you up at night, yeah. Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah.